Hey guys, Kevin with NorCal Safe and Vault. Got a really exciting video today. This is a Fort Knox Legend 7251 with a custom interior. It's got 15 watch winders in it, beautiful jewelry drawers. This is likely the most beautiful safe I'm ever about to open. I don't know if it can be beat. I've been really excited to get this. I'm really excited to unbox it. So enjoy this video. I'll fast forward. I may not be able to show you the front. We've got a crane hinge on this thing, and Fort Knox, the customer requested his last name to be engraved into the crane hinge, and guess what? Fort Knox said they could do it. So if I can blur it, I'll do it, but I may not be able to show you the front of the safe just because I don't know what I'm able to do on my video editor. So enjoy. I'll fast forward this as we go. Oh, that's heavy. I didn't realize it was that heavy. Okay. Jeez. Okay. Oh, wow. How cool is that? Open now. Get ready. Oh my God. Uh, ah. Oh, Nelly. Obviously, they got it packed real well. Take a good look at the door there. This is a Fort Knox Legend door. And of course, I'm going to get this cleaned up and get you some zoomed in shots. All right, y'all, this is the Fort Knox Legend safe. This is a 7251. It's coming in at just about 3,300 pounds. It's a brute. What Fort Knox does with this is they line the body with AR 500 and stainless steel. Now that helps make it cut and torch resistant. So if you've got some serious amount of valuables that's going inside of a safe, it's really important that you consider at least AR 500. A great thing that actually Fort Knox has coined is, the safe industry can be a little antiquated. They're still building safes like they built them in the 1980s, but now we've got 2025 tools. So you've got tools that can cut through steel pretty quickly. And in this industry, we don't see it happen a lot, but only on places that do have that serious amount of value. So if you've got a serious amount of value going inside of a safe, it's important to consider at least AR 500. Now this also has stainless steel, which is going to make it torch resistant. So to kind of give you a baseline, think about all the things that are going in there: your guns, your jewelry, any spare cash, watches. If you got stuff that's over $50,000, $75,000 worth going inside a safe, you should seriously consider an AR 500 liner. And from Fort Knox, that'll come standard in a Titan, and of course the Legend. The Legend is Fort Knox's absolute best safe. It's, in my opinion, one of the best gun safes or even home safe that you can get on the market. Now they do have those liners in a smaller home safe, but this customer needed some serious space for everything. He and his wife will be sharing it, and it's one of those types of safes that you buy once and hopefully you don't outgrow it. So this thing, it came in at just out the door, just about $50,000. So it's an expensive safe, but if you've got expensive stuff, it is absolutely worth the investment. It's a lifelong investment, and something that we're really proud to be able to offer to our customers that are looking for that. So let's take a closer look at this thing, the Fort Knox Legend 7251. Fort Knox has a ton of options, so you can totally personalize your safe. And they offer that personalization in any size or any series that they offer. Now in this one, we've got the optional watch winders and jewelry drawers. We also could have added a file cabinet on top or bottom of those jewelry drawers. And the door is where this thing gets seriously awesome. Fort Knox has this 5-to-1 rack and pinion gear system, which is the same idea car manufacturers use for steering. So it's super tough, but also crazy smooth. And it comes standard with a plexiglass cover. So every time you open the safe, you can be reminded of the serious craftsmanship that you have in your safe. Plus, just like the body, the door is lined with 3/16 AR-500 and stainless steel to make your safe cut and torch resistant on all 6 sides.